Welcome to this tutorial on Get Event Log, a powerful PowerShell CMDlet for reading Windows event logs. In this video, you'll learn how to access and retrieve information from the three main event logs in Windows: Application, System, and Security. Event logs are crucial for troubleshooting issues, monitoring system health, and tracking security events on your Windows machines. Get Event Log provides a command line interface to access these logs quickly and efficiently, making it an essential tool for system administrators. Windows maintains three primary event logs that you'll work with most frequently. The application log records events logged by programs and applications running on your system. When an application crashes or encounters an error, it typically writes details to this log. The system log contains events logged by Windows system components, such as driver failures, hardware issues, or service start and stop events. Finally, the security log tracks security-related events like successful and failed login attempts, file access, and policy changes. Understanding these three logs is fundamental to effective system monitoring and troubleshooting. The basic syntax for Get Event Log is straightforward. You use the CMDlet name Get Event Log followed by the log name parameter and the name of the log you want to query. For example, Get Event Log -log name in quotes application retrieves entries from the application log. The log name parameter is required and tells PowerShell which event log you want to access. This simple command will return all entries from the specified log, though in practice, you'll usually want to filter or limit the results using additional parameters. Let's look at practical examples of accessing the application log. The first example shows Get Event Log -log name application, which retrieves all entries from the application log. However, this can return thousands of entries, which isn't very practical. The second example demonstrates a more useful approach: Get Event Log -log name application -newest 50. The newest parameter limits the output to the most recent 50 entries, making the results much more manageable. This is particularly helpful when you're looking for recent application errors or events. Accessing the system log follows the same pattern. The first example shows Get Event Log -log name system, which retrieves all system log entries. The second example introduces filtering by entry type: Get Event Log -log name system -entry type error. The entry type parameter allows you to filter events by their severity level. In this case, we're only retrieving error entries, which is extremely useful when troubleshooting system problems. This helps you focus on critical issues without wading through informational messages and warnings. The security log requires special attention because accessing it requires administrator privileges. If you try to read the security log without running PowerShell as administrator, you'll receive an access denied error. The first example shows Get Event Log -log name security -newest 100, which retrieves the most recent 100 security events. The second example demonstrates filtering by event ID using the instanced parameter: Get Event Log -log name security -instanced 4624. Event ID 4624 specifically tracks successful logon events, making it useful for auditing who has accessed the system. Let's review the most commonly used parameters with Get Event Log. The newest parameter limits results to the most recent entries, which we've already seen in action. The entry type parameter filters events by their type, error, warning, or information. This helps you focus on events of a specific severity level. The instanced parameter filters by a specific event ID number, allowing you to track particular types of events. Finally, the after parameter retrieves events that occurred after a specified date and time, which is invaluable when investigating issues that started at a known point in time. Combining these parameters gives you powerful filtering capabilities. Let's conclude with a practical example that combines what we've learned. The first command retrieves the 20 most recent errors from the system log: Get Event Log -log name system -entry type error -newest 20. This is perfect for quick troubleshooting. The second example shows a more advanced technique using the pipeline. We start with get-event-log-logname application-newest 50, then pipe the results to where object to filter only error entries, and finally pipe to select object to display just the time generated, source, and message properties. This creates a clean, focused output showing when errors occurred, what caused them, and their descriptions. Mastering these techniques will significantly improve your system administration efficiency.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.